Well, patients in rural areas are now finding better access to their doctors.
That's because technology is allowing them to connect from far away, even in some emergency situations. News 8's Pauline Lee joins us live in our studio with more.
Well, just this week, Gundersen Lutheran began incorporating telemedicine or video conferencing to help treat patients with emergency care. Doctors say this new technique is cost efficient and a great way of getting patients immediate help.
Say It's the next best thing to actually being truly face-to-face.
Doctors at Gundersen Lutheran now have a way of providing emergency help to patients long distance.
Hooking up with telemedicine, we may be able to help them through a procedure or help them with some diagnostic workup on a patient and allow them to do the treatment there locally, and they may not even have to transport the patient.
Dr. Eric Voder at Gundersen can now help physicians on the other side of the camera at St. Joseph's Health Services in Hillsborough with procedures that aren't as common in rural areas.
There's a rare occasion where you get someone that's really sick, really needs something done right now, and then with telemedicine we're able to hook up with them directly and help them through those type of procedures.
It's the first hospital in Wisconsin to use telemedicine in its emergency services. Mayo Clinic Health System has used telemedicine in other medical areas such as radiology, behavioral health, and psychology. On any given day, clinical psychiatrist Dr. George Melnick will help about half of all of his patients from just the click of a mouse.
It saves a lot of time in terms of driving for the patient and also driving for the provider.
But this technology isn't just helping patients, it's also helping doctors quality check their work. Dr. Kieran Minahan at Mayo Clinic Health System says the new technology allows him to get feedback from other doctors.
So if I have a particularly difficult cancer case, I can review the films and discuss the case with other providers. So it allows us, for the patient's sake, it allows them to have a kind of like a free second opinion, if you will.
Now, as of right now, St. Joseph's Hospital in Hillsborough is the only clinic Gundersen is linked up to. Hospital officials say they are considering adding the technology at clinics in Whitehall and West Union, Iowa as well.
Thanks very much, Pauline. Now, officials tell us the video conferencing is done through a completely secure link between the two medical facilities, so they are ensuring patient privacy.